Okay then guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do ears. I think they are really nice for when you have a character that has actual ears on show. They make like a little extra cute feature to your plushie. For this Gundham plush, he actually has an earring that is quite important to his character and I wanted to include it, so that's why I decided to make some ears and show you guys how to make them. They're very simple. So what you need to start off by doing, you need to have the fabric that you used for your base. You just need to cut out a semicircle shape that fits the size of your plushie head, depending on the base you're using. As you can see here, I keep trimming that semicircle until it's at a size that you like. Make sure to go a little bit bigger than what you would actually like, because next you need to sew around that curved bit of the edge of the semicircle. Make sure you have 4 pieces. There's 2 ears which have 2 pieces each. So once you have those pieces, you just need to turn them inside out. As you can see as I'm demonstrating, you fold the top bit down, so it creates a kind of divot in the ear. Very simple and cute little round ears. So once you are happy with the shape and positioning pinned down onto your plushie, you just then need to use the ladder stitch, the old faithful ladder stitch. If you don't know how to do it, I've got a video on how to do it, so you can check that out. And you just need to ladder stitch it down onto the head, and that is pretty much it. That's exactly how you do ears. So I hope you found this video helpful. Send me any pictures of the plushies you make. I love seeing your guys' creations. If you use this tutorial, feel free to tag me on social media, and I will see you all in the next video.